Hi guys, we're back with another video today. We are going to be opening our Adidas jacket from Prodirect Sports.
These jackets are so good because my brother was going to football. It was raining so much he got soaked.
So that's why we bought these jackets, but they were cheap. They were cheaper than they were because it had the sponsor of Prodirect Sport like sewn onto it, and the other one cost a lot more. So we're going to open the packet now.
It looks small, but it has 2 jackets inside.
So here they are. As you can see, it has a Prodirect sponsoring on it, but I think that looks pretty good because it would just be a bit plain. And it has the hood, but it's tucked away under this thing, and it's really nice and light, so when you're running it doesn't have an effect. So I actually really like this, and the inside has this mesh thing, so you can, I guess, keep cool when you're inside it, and I don't think you're gonna get wet in this.
I like it because it has a football sign in it, and I think it's Adidas because it says Adidas on it, and I really like the hood, and I think it has a peg on it. Normal coats don't have some, and I like the design and stuff. I like it because it looks stealth.
Okay, and there's under the Prodirect website over here. But yeah, it looks pretty good in my opinion.